Hey friends, welcome back. And this look today, oh my god, it's so special because I have tried to do this look especially for my beginner girlies. I try to do it in every video, but this video is special because I haven't used a lot of shadows and also I didn't apply any eyelash. So this is simple everyday eye look. So to start this look, I'm going to take one kohl pencil. You can take any kohl pencil and just try to create a wing eyeliner. If you see, I am not using an eye tape or a stencil for the reference because I wanted to show you from scratch how you can create eyeliner with a pencil step by step. So just after creating the liner with the pencil, I went in with an eyeshadow on a flat angled liner brush. This brush is really good because it's very thin. So I just tapped in the shadow and then I'm just packing the eyeshadow over my pencil. Now why I'm doing this is to lock my pencil, otherwise it will smudge all over my eyelid. So I'm packing it with this orange eyeshadow or rust eyeshadow. And if you see, this eye look is super easy. It requires a little patience where you are blending this eyeliner. If I have used a small blending brush, the process would have been faster, but I don't know, with this brush I was really loving the precision and the wing that it was giving in the outer corner. And just with very light hands I'm blending the shadow, whatever is remaining on the brush, and bringing it towards the center of the lid. And also if you see, I'm trying to create a shape, a cat eye shape sort of, and then I went in with shimmer and just packed it on my lid. Now if you want, you can stop here, just pack the shimmer and just apply some mascara and kohl, you are good to go. But for me personally, I just want to add something extra all the time. So I went, after blending the shimmer, I went in with the lighter orange shadow, and I am going to pack it all over my outer corner of the eye. Now this is to add a little bit of more color because I thought otherwise it will look a little bit patchy or lighter. So I just went in with that lighter shade, packed it all over in the outer corner, and I'm literally blending with soft hands just to smooth the edges so that they look diffused. And then I'm just bringing the shimmer to the center so that both shades look really pretty as if they blend together. And then I went in with tattoo liner pencil from Maybelline. This is in the shade Rich Berry. It's really pretty plum shade, and after applying it in my waterline, I'm just trying to bring it outside in my lower lash line. And then with that angled brush, I'm just diffusing the pencil a little bit. And to lock the pencil, I am using same orange rusty eyeshadow and blending it with a small blending brush. Now if you want, you can go ahead and apply lashes, but I wanted to keep it simple and pretty. So I went in to curl my lashes, applied some mascara in my upper lash, and don't forget your lower lash. It is equally important. And I did not apply any eyelash, and this is the final look. It is super easy. Hope you love this video, and if you do, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next video.